lithium mining and its significance for the EV industry. In this video, we'll examine Tesla's strategy for lithium mining and the difficulties the sector faces in ensuring a steady supply of this vital resource. As the demand for electric vehicles rises, so does the demand for lithium-ion batteries, which rely on the raw material lithium. Come along as we examine the most recent advancements in this fascinating sector and their implications for the future of electric cars. Have you looked at Chandler's most recent tweet regarding Tesla's plans? He included a chart that lists the various metals that the company would require in order to produce 20 million vehicles by 2030. It may initially appear to be a warning sign for possible supply chain problems for Tesla and the EV sector overall, but in my opinion, this is one of Tesla's greatest opportunities. In recent years, there has been much worry about the sustainability of the materials used in lithium-ion batteries, which are an essential part of electric vehicles, and lithium is a plentiful resource. There has been a push to find alternative materials for use in lithium-ion batteries due to concerns about the social and environmental effects of mining and processing lithium, especially in nations with lax labor and environmental regulations. One such material is silicon, which has a higher energy density than graphite, currently the most widely used anode material in lithium-ion batteries. However, silicon has certain disadvantages, such as a propensity to swell and crack during charge and discharge cycles. Despite these challenges, companies like Tesla and others in the industry are making promising progress in solving these issues, and silicon is increasingly being seen as a promising alternative to graphite. Meanwhile, cobalt has also been a concern due to its association with unethical labor practices and environmental damage. While cobalt is an essential material in current lithium-ion battery designs, there has been a push to reduce or eliminate its use. In contrast, lithium itself is not likely to be completely out of the equation for Tesla and other manufacturers, as it remains a critical component of current lithium-ion battery design. While it is true that the amount of lithium needed to meet the demand for EVs is significant, there are still plenty of reserves of this material around the world, and new deposits are being discovered all the time. So while there are challenges associated with the sustainability of the materials used in lithium-ion batteries, progress is being made to address these concerns. And there is reason to be optimistic about the future of sustainable EVs. According to Simon Morris from Benchmark Mineral Intelligence, lithium isn't rare, and the real question is getting it out of the ground in economic quantities. While there are concerns that we could use up the world's resource within 17 to 40 years if we continue producing electric cars at the current rate, this analysis doesn't take into account the surge in exploration and new development in the lithium industry, as well as the new products that are coming on stream. Lithium is a naturally occurring element that's found in various places around the world. It's not geographically rare, but the challenge lies in getting it to the supply chain in economic quantities. This means that it can be difficult and expensive to extract lithium from the ground and turn it into a usable form for lithium-ion batteries. One of the top producers of electric vehicles in the world, Tesla, plans to enter the lithium mining business in the upcoming years. However, the industry is currently providing the majority of the funding rather than capital markets, and there is significant uncertainty regarding the source of the money needed to explore and develop new lithium mines. Concerns regarding the security implications of heavily depending on China for these essential materials, particularly for other countries like South American producers who mine. Overall, the lithium industry is driven by the market, but the real issue is where the lithium-ion capacity is being developed. Benchmark's data indicates that by 2029, an estimated 1.9 terawatt hours of battery capacity, or about 35 million electric vehicles, will be produced, which is an exciting and promising development for the future of electric vehicles. Let me explain. We all know that lithium is an essential component of lithium-ion batteries, which are used in electric vehicles and other renewable energy technologies. While lithium is not geographically rare, the real challenge is getting close enough of it in an economically viable way. Tesla is one of the companies leading the way in addressing this challenge. One of the biggest concerns is that Chinese entities currently control nearly half of the global lithium production, which could be a security concern for other countries. Nevertheless, it also highlights the need for a sustainable and reliable supply of lithium to support this growth. Furthermore, the majority of the battery production capacity is located in China, which is concerning because the US is only accountable for roughly 8% of this capacity. Without Tesla's gigafactory, that percentage reduces to 3%. In order to catch up to China in this area, the US must act to move some of its lithium leverage domestically. Vertical integration, which Tesla is pursuing, is essential for managing margins and boosting long-term profits, but the difficulty lies in streamlining the metal refining process, which is where Tesla's sleeping. Giant enters the picture. Tesla has created a process that directly consumes the raw metal nickel powder, doing away with the need for billions in intermediate production and enabling simpler procedures for mining and recycling. By localizing its Catholic supply chain and production, Tesla intends to develop its Catholic plant in North America, which will help lower expenses by 80% and the distance traversed by the materials used in the castoid. As part of its cell production strategy, which will turn mined raw materials into batteries, Tesla may benefit from the abundant nickel and lithium resources in North America. In order to solve the issues with the industry's material supply chain, Tesla has also created a more sustainable technique of converting lithium sulfide-free process and even purchased the rights to a sizable lithium clay deposit in Nevada. The extraction of lithium, a crucial component of batteries for electric vehicles from the earth, involves taking a chunk of rock or dirt and then extracting the lithium from it. Once this is done, the chunk is returned to its original location to make it appear as similar as possible or as it was before the mining process started. Although there is industry skepticism about Tesla's ability to scale up its mining operations, only time will tell if it can successfully become a leading producer of lithium in the United States and possibly even globally. If they are successful, it could establish a whole new industry under Tesla, with the company supplying lithium to other automakers. While it's simple to become engrossed in the daily headlines and product announcements, it's crucial to keep in mind the importance of the material supply chain and Tesla's performance as a business. As new methods for producing nickel and lithium in the US are developed, Tesla's attention to ensuring a sustainable supply of resources will be crucial to its long-term success. Tesla is establishing itself as a leader in this sector, but since nobody can say for sure what the future of this sector will hold, it's vital to consider the possible influence Tesla could have in this area. Their dedication to innovation and risk-taking has worked well in the past, and they probably will continue to push back the clock in the years to come. We've looked at the opportunities and problems in the lithium supply chain for renewable energy technologies and electric vehicles. As the globe moves towards sustainable energy, having a consistent and sustainable source of resources like lithium is essential. Tesla is taking the lead in using vertical integration to overcome these issues. Supply chain localization and environmentally friendly mining methods will be closely monitoring Tesla's advancement in this field. And we sincerely hope you'll join us in promoting creative and sustainable solutions for a better future. Thank you for viewing, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for it.